Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to maintain 3 columns on a tablet and mobile phone. Similar to what I did on these 2 past projects. Although they are 4-column layouts, but the process is the same. This simple technique is very handy if you have lists of logos to display on your page. Normally, if you have 3 columns on the desktop, it will automatically adjust to a single column in tablet and mobile views. There will be no problem if you only have 6 images to display, but if you have more than 20 images, that will be a long page to scroll on mobile. One of the best ways to do this is to make the dimensions of your images the same width and height. There are different photo or image editing tools that will help you do that. I resize mine into 1024 by 768. In this tutorial, I will display 3 by 4, meaning 3 columns by 4 rows. First, upload all your edited images to your media library by going to Media, then add New. Next, in your divi, insert a new row and choose a 3-column layout. Add a new image module to each column by clicking on the rounded plus icon. In your row settings, click the gear icon and go to the Advanced tab. Navigate to Custom CSS and add Display Flex in the main element field. Then duplicate the row until you have 4 rows in total and update the images on the second row up to the 4th row. Adjust the row padding on tablet and mobile view to make it more presentable. Hover on the row setting, align with all properties, look for the 3 dots, click on it, and choose Copy Row Styles. Do the same with the next 3 rows, but instead of copy, choose Paste Row Styles. That's it. One of the simple ways to control column layout in tablet and mobile view. You may just play around with the padding and margins to match your design. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.